Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Restoring social well-being. Healing is a humane process. Healing takes place in the community, in the organization. Healing does not take place on the technological platform. Healing eventually takes place in the hearts and minds and physical aspects of the human beings. So, people need to feel a sense of community and common purpose. That is first essential thing for restoring the social well-being. HR has a role to play in helping the organization to build, maintain and sustain the social connections among the employees. They need to figure out the platforms and the methods for people to interact and talk about their experience, their general experience. They should be able to share their experience beyond their work, and that process requires technological prowess as well as proper communication to the employees. This can be done by establishing the mentorship programs, affiliation groups, developing teams and ensuring thorough onboarding system in the organization. Now we talk about psychological well-being and how psychological well-being can be restored in the organizations for organizational healing. According to the World Health Organization, burnout is a condition which results from chronic workplace stress that has not been successfully managed. Burnout leads to exhaustion, a cynical attitude and decreased productivity. HR function need to be aware about the state of the mental well-being of its employees. They need to proactively work towards maintaining the balance for the overall well-being and the work productivity amongst the employee groups. They need to find the ways, they need to track and find the ways of avoiding burnout and increasing the work productivity at the same time. So, HR department need to offer flexible working, child care, additional work life options. They need to closely work with the operations and business leaders to identify the best systems and processes which can help employee to restore their well-being and also help organization to achieve its business objectives, at least for the survival or if possible for the growth, because we know that healing is not only about surviving the crisis, it is also about growing after the crisis.